I'm a Jewish girl, but I don't speak Hebrew, which is my language, and it was my dream. I was 5 years old, playing in the yard, and my friend came and told me that I don't want to play with you anymore because my mom told that you are Jewish. I didn't know what does it mean, the word Jewish. I started crying, and I told her, I'm not a Jewish, I'm a good girl.
Olga became a doctor in Belarus. She felt that something was missing in her life. Bringing her to Israel helped her find her soul.
We are living in an absorption center. When you're living together in one place and you have a lot of people who help you in your first steps, you study also Hebrew. You have Ulpan classes just downstairs. You feel the taste of new country, of Israel. I understood that my soul is already here.
Finding our identity and finding our Jewish spirit adds an element to our lives is just invaluable.
When you understand that it's possible to be open in your Jewish life, it's a wonderful feeling. After the program was finished, I made Aliyah. I realized my dream. I'm very, very grateful to Jewish Federations. Thank you very much for this opportunity.